you how to do a division problem with a whole number divided by a fraction, but this time it's not a unit fraction. A unit fraction is when you have 1 as your numerator. This one, you have 3 as numerator, so it's a little bit more challenging, but the idea is the same. I'm trying to figure out with 4 holes, how many groups of 3/4 can I do? So if I went across this hole, that's one group of 3/4. Went across this hole, that's another group of 3/4. Went across this hole, there's another group of 3/4. Went across this hole, there's another group of 3/4. And then again, this is 1/4, 1/4 here, 1/4 here, which is another group of 3/4. So far, I have altogether 5 groups of 3/4. Right here, I have 1/4 remaining. We're trying to make groups of 3/4. Groups of 3/4 look like this. A fourth, and a fourth. Right here I have 1 out of 3 of the 3/4 to make a whole group for my problem. So I have 1/3 of what I'm looking for. 1/3 to make 1/4 out of the 3/4. That's 1/3 out of the 1/4 I need altogether. So my answer is going to be 5 1/3. Now if we go to the way I'm going to teach them eventually, after their brains understand what's going on, they can take the second part of their division problem and flip it to find the reciprocal. When you flip it to find the reciprocal, you switch these numbers so it becomes 4/3, and now it's a multiplication problem. That 4 over 1 is the same thing as 4, the reciprocal is over here, and I now have 16/3, which equals 3, that's 1 hole, 6, 2 holes, 9, that's 3 holes, 12, that's 4 holes, 15, that's 5 holes, with 1 piece left over, which would be a third. So now I have 5 1/3. So the same thing, but I want their brains to kind of understand what's going on with this problem. So they're taking 4 holes and breaking about into groups of 3/4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. These 3 make another group, and then you have 1/4 out of the 3/4 you need to make a whole group. So that means you have 1/3 of all together to make a group, which is 5 1/3. All right.